Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tips Tutorial. Today we're going to teach you how to connect CJ Dropshipping with Woocommerce. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now the first thing you're going to have to do is of course log into your account and simply click on My CJ over here on the top. After clicking that, you will be redirected to another page. In this page, this is where we will be able to manage and connect the two platforms together. So let's exit this. Let's move this pop-ups over here to the right. And you're going to focus over here on the left side. Simply scroll down and you're going to see the store authorization option over here. Simply click this and you will be able to see all the different platforms that you could connect your CJ Dropshipping to. And as you can see, you have Woocommerce here as an option. Simply select that and simply click on Add Store and follow all the steps that is required for you, such as the URL over here, and you will be able to connect both CJ Dropshipping and Woocommerce together. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.